Guys, we just woke up and it's snowing outside. You can't really see it. There's not snow on the ground. Like, there's a lot of snow on them. Like, it's at, you can't really see it because of the wind strokes. Oh my gosh. Guys, I can feel the water from inside. Anyway, it's like, it's snowing. You can't really see it. I can show you guys from outside. Guys, I wonder if it's gonna be really cold. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's so cold. Okay, well, here is outside. Okay, let me know if it's snowing around your place too. Bye guys. Mwah.